Like any startup, LoanTap's journey also started more with self-discovery of a problem. So if we say that people like you and me, which is a salary constitute bulk of the middle class or upper middle class, and we are supposed to having the best credit behaviors. That if everything is so good, then why should not be the credit as good as we are, or the facilities of credit which I can use for any purpose should be as good as we are. Why those products should be dictated to us, and why we should not be the one who should be saying that, hey, this is how we want the product to be, or this is how we want the services to be. So it was more like a self-discovery, like in one of those typical Indian festivals, traveling with family, and then realizing why an overdraft product or something like that should not be available to a salaried class. That's a journey which has been evolving over a period of time. 5 years is a long time in startup ecosystem, which typically which runs at a speed of internet. So unlike a traditional businesses, where you had a 10-year or 15 years, look like organizations are maturing. In the new businesses, 5 years is a good time to evolve and establish. That is where the whole idea started for the LoanTap, and as a company, we came more across as a institution which is solving the problem for the salaried people, and bulk of it middle class ecosystem. So that's how we started. As we continued building LoanTap, opportunities came our way in adjacent business verticals, and later on we also got recognized for doing an amazing amount of work with a highly unbanked or underbanked MSME segment. So we created Kirana Credit as a product. So if you see, there are about 12 million retailers. Out of those 12 million retailers, most of them have an income anything between or a gross sale itself. Forget about income, gross sale itself, anything between 3 to 10 lakh or a 12 lakh annually. So they'll be even if they make about 7 to 8% on that, they'll be making anything about 50,000 annually as a profit, or they'll be making, when it will start from 50,000 with 2 lakh rupees. At that level, you do not have a credit available, and delivery of the credit in a traditional banking system is so costly that nobody really tried to solve it. So there were adjacent business verticals where the market requested us, can we solve it? And yeah, I mean, we had a product, or we had a way to solve it. So that's what we got into newer categories, which was more market demand led. So the journey started from our individual discovery of challenges. As we came in the market to solve for a particular segment, people came and they asked for a solution on the newer segment. We provided solutions, and each of these solutions requires a very different kind of a tech stacks and all. And so eventually we also came out more as a platform kind of organization, which was solving for salary, which was solving for MSME, and also some kind of individual asset purchases like electric two-wheelers and all. And all of it automatically started looking like a platform, and that's how we moved from a digital lending institution serving to a particular category, all the way to an institution which is a great platform, where an individual demands, small business demands are met by the banking system. The banking system also comes along with us, and is happy to co-lend, add money, add capital on the customer accounts and all, which we say that, hey, it's a whole trust. So that's how.